Hey guys, so let's just start the unboxing of the Max Pi C5 Bluetooth speaker. This is how the packaging looks like. Let's just put the speaker aside for a moment. It comes with some accessories. There is a band to carry it around, an aux cable and a micro USB cable for charging. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge its 1500 mAh battery, which lasts about 7 to 8 hours. It also has NFC connectivity and all the various slots are covered. This speaker has a rugged design and is made up of a good quality plastic. As you can see, it is really tough and there were no signs of any kind of damage or scratches. And another cool feature about this speaker is that it is water resistant, which means you can use it in heavy rain or near a pool with no worries, but it will stop working if you will fully submerge it in water. I did the same, but it started working after a few days. And sound quality of this speaker is quite impressive. It is really loud considering the size of the speaker, and bass output is also really amazing. It has 4 onboard keys for volume, power and a specific key to take calls. So this speaker is available for 800 rupees, which is really impressive for such quality product. Amazon links are in the description.